Hello everyone. From today we'll start about the condition. So what I mean by that, let me go to automation cloud flow. Let me click on this instant flow. So we have understand the basics of data operation. Now we'll go towards looping. And let me say here I will use apply to each. I'll click on this create button. Alright. So what I will do, I will click on this new tab. So we'll see various controls now. So if you will go to control, now we are going to see all of them. So we'll start with condition, or let me start with condition. Okay. So to understand this one, let's take a scenario. So what we'll do, in our flow, we'll ask the user to enter the product name, color, quantity, and price. And if the users demand the quantity more than 10, okay, then we are going to give him a discount of 10%. So let me write down this in a notepad. So the scenario is, we'll ask the user, okay, to enter the product name, okay, and quantity, and even price. Then we'll send an email, sample email, and will tell user that you'll be getting this much percent discount if in case the user demand more than 10 quantity. Okay, so let's do it in flow, then you will be able to understand. So first of all, I will add few inputs here. I will say my first input would be my product name, and I will say here please enter product name, and I will add input here. We'll go to text. Here I will say enter your color, like product color, and please enter color, and then I will say enter quantity. So I will say QTY. Also please enter quantity, and then at the end, 1 second. I think I need to remove this because I have taken this as a string, whereas it should be point and like in integer. I'll say please enter quantity, and then I will add one more number here. I will say price. Alright, so now we have used this conditional control. So what I will do here, I will select quantity here. So let me search QTY quantity. Okay, so your quantity would be, so we have two options. Let me choose is greater than 10. Okay, then only we want to send email to user. Okay, so now I will add the email action here. I will go to Office 365 Outlook. I will say send an email V2. I will use send an email V2. This one. So I will send email to admin user for testing. So I will say copy, and I will paste to here. Alright, and I will say Congo, you will get 10% discount. And I will say hello, you will get 10% discount. Okay. So now let us do one more thing here. Let's try to calculate the actual price. So what I will do, I will create a new variable here, or instead of variable, I think I should choose compose, because I just need some static data. So what I will do, I will say here actual price, and in my actual price, I will write my expression. I will need to multiply my price and quantities to get the output, right? For that, I will use multiply. Here, I will need to provide my first, like my price. So what I will do, I will come down here and I will say price. I need to multiply price with quantity. Then I will multiply my price with quantity. So let me click here. Okay. So this would be my actual price. But now we will also need to calculate the discount as well. So to get the discount, I will use a trick here. So what I will do, let me write down here. So I need to multiply my quantity into price, right? This will get me my actual price. Now to get my discounted price, I will need to minus my actual price minus discount. Okay, so what would be my discount? So now to calculate the discount, see, we already have this data available. Okay, this we have already multiplied the price and quantity, so we'll get actual price here. So now actual price is available, we need to multiply those things. Now to get the discount of 10%, we can simply multiply it with 0.10, that will give us discount, what our actual price. So we need to multiply our actual price with this data. So what I mean by that is I need to multiply actual price with this. Right, I need to do something like this, right? Now to get the actual price, I already have here expression. So let me copy this, or let me do this. I'll copy this. So my actual price is this. Okay, my actual price here is this. Okay, now I have my this actual price and I have this actual price. Now if you see, the output of this should also be multiplied with this point n, right? So for that I will again need to add expression here. So what I will do, I will say here maximize this. All right, so what I will need to do, I will again need to multiply, right? Multiply this with this, because in expression you can't use multiply directly. That's why you will need to use this 0.10. Okay, so this will get you the discount and this will get you the actual price. Now at the end you will need to subtract both of them. So for that you will use subtract. So let me, for that you will need to use your subtract expression, and you will say minus this with this. And it's a complex expression, but it is how we can do it. So I will copy this. Let's say if this runs or not. So now I will click on add action. I will again add compose here. Add compose. I will rename it to uh, discount price. I will expand this. Here I will go to expression. Let me add this expression. Okay, this is invalid. Let me see what's wrong. So the issue here is I need to add 0 as well because Power Automate is not able to understand it's a decimal. So I will go here, I will go to discounted price, I will go to expression, I will add this expression. Alright, now what I will do, I will move this email here because I need to use these to output in my email. So I'll say you will get your 10% discount. I'll say your older price was, and here I will give actual price. Let me come down here. So this is the actual price, and new price is this one. Okay, so let me save this, and I will test this. I'll say manual trigger. Click on test. I'll continue here. Also, please enter product name. Let's say I need mouse. Let's say I need black color, and let's say I ordered 100 quantities, and let us assume the price of each mouse is 100. So we should get 900 as our cost. So let me run the flow. Let me click on done. Alright, so it runs successfully. Okay, so let me go to email here. Okay, yeah. So if you see here, older price was 1000 and the new price is 9000 because we ordered more than 10 quantities. So what I will do, let's test it for this no scenario as well, and let me enter the quantity as 9 and we'll see. So let me say I need again mouse, let me say I need black color again, and quantity would be 9, and let's say the price is 100. So if we'll run flow this time, you will see it haven't triggered because our expression is false. So the main agenda of this video is to understand the conditional this condition. So for that we have taken this quantity field, and if this will be greater than 10, then we have used. We have also used multiplication and subtract expression as well. So this expression would be difficult at the first go because the first thing is that if you will see this expression here, so this was your actual price, okay, for which you will multiply your second. Here we go. So here you have multiplied your price and quantity. Here also you have multiplied your price and quantity. Then you multiplied this price and quantity value with 0.10 so that you will get discount. Then you subtracted your discount from your actual price using this subtract expression, and then you get the final value. So thank you for watching this video, and I think here instead of this apply to each, I should say this as condition. So in next video we'll see about apply to each. Thank you.